Hey guys, today I'm going to be making slime, so let's get to it. So first, you need to add your glue. I got this at Dollar General for 25 cents. And they have the black thing as always. Blend. And if you hear that, that's my dog. I'm only adding half because it's a big glue bottle and I'm only adding half. Next, you grab your fork. You grab your shaving cream, shake it. I'm gonna make fluffy slime. So I need quite a little bit. That should be enough. Next, what colors have I done? I tried to make this an orange. So I already have a yellow. Now I'm going to try to make an orange for the rest of that. At least a little bit. And yes, I did tie-dye this shirt. It's one of the tie-dyeing. I have another shirt that I tie-dyed and another one. So I've been tie-dyeing. The first one I ever tie-dyed was at camp. I don't care if it's on my table. It's just a crafting table. I have a lighter yellow. Maybe at the end I'll show you all my slimes. Let's put the cap on it. And this is the color. Now let's put some more shaving cream. Let's try to add a lot more and don't stir yet. Next, you okay, boy? It's my dog. You okay? Good boy. You're so cute. Okay. Sorry about that, my dog. You add some Tide, Staflo, or anything you want. I add Tide. And you can either add eye contact solution, Tide, or Staflo. I'm using Tide as always because that's one of my things I use. And then you see it's starting to come together. You keep on adding it until it's not as liquidy. Keep adding the shaving cream or a Tide or both of them, or Staflo or eye contact solution. I used to add a contact solution, but where I am, it's a lot of money. It's getting better. And then sometimes I just go in with my hands. Sometimes I even take it out of the bowl. And I could put it on the floor. Sometimes I add some more Tide. It gets it non-stickier. He's laying down right next to my door. Sometimes I even sit on my bed. Sometimes I even, I don't know. And usually all you need if you're making like clear slime is clear glue and Tide or whatever. I'll show you one of my clear glues clear slimes that I'm trying to let it clear up. So since I don't have any more containers, I use Ziploc bags. Storage bags to get all the air. I'm gonna go see if I can play with a little bit of my slime. Laptop. Sorry about that. So you already saw me play with this one, so I'll put this one. Oh, and if you want to see my whole collection, let's see if I can pull this over here. Quite a few. So first I have this whole thing, and I'm still working on it. So I have this blue one, this little slime that I made, purple slime. This is one of the clear slimes I'm trying out. Well, the only clear slime I'm trying to clear up. Kinetic sand slime, another slime, cloud slime, magical poop slime, this little slime. On the bottom I have blue, this one that we just made, a dark pink, a light yellow, a light pink, and a green. So I guess I'll make another video of me playing with all these slimes. So see you guys then. Bye.